noticed that the stock market moves just like breathing? It goes up, it comes down, then it rests before making the next move. This concept is called market respiration, and once you understand it, you'll start reading charts in a completely different way. Let's learn it in simple language. Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in stock market trading, price action, and supply-demand strategies, make sure to subscribe because I upload practical trading lessons that are easy to understand. Now let's begin. Think about how we breathe. First we inhale, then we exhale. Then we take a short rest before breathing again. The stock market behaves in a very similar way. Price moves upward, then price moves downward. After that, the market often moves sideways in consolidation. Finally, it breaks out and starts the next move. This cycle repeats again and again. Look at the chart. At the bottom is the demand zone. This is where buyers usually become active. When buyers enter, price starts moving upward. This is like inhaling. As price reaches the supply zone, sellers become active. The market begins to move downward. This is like exhaling. After a strong move, price doesn't always continue immediately. Instead, it often enters a consolidation phase. This is the market taking a rest before the next big move. Here are some important rules. Rule number 1, don't sell inside the demand zone. Rule number 2, don't buy inside the supply zone. Rule number 3, wait patiently for a breakout after consolidation. And finally, always trade in the direction of the overall trend. Remember, patience is one of the biggest advantages in trading. Let's understand with a simple example. Buyers enter near the demand zone. Price rises. As price reaches the supply zone, sellers take control. Price falls back. Then the market moves sideways for some time. After enough accumulation or distribution, price breaks out and starts another trend. This complete cycle is what we call market respiration. If you start recognizing this breathing pattern on every chart, you'll avoid chasing trades and make more disciplined decisions. Remember this line, master market respiration, and you'll become a better price action trader. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I understand market respiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.